Hello and welcome to the Pre-KK Clipart. Yes, this can be used with other ages, especially if you are teaching sign language in the classroom. You'll be able to finagle these clip arts and make whatever you need. All right, let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to also show you where you can get these and grab a freebie as well at the end. We're going to review these signs. Please note that these will be covered up partially. That way it holds the integrity so that you can purchase these on the site I will show you at the end. Now, notice here, these signs are all in color and black and white. And let me slide me over here. So this is the letter A. A. Again. Again. Now you can use these in the classroom to show the students, or you can just learn them yourself. B, that's the letter B. This is toilet, bathroom, restroom. It's the T hand. Shake it left to right, not forward, left to right. The letter C. Calm down, calm. You can do it side to side, but calm. Clean. 2 times. Let's clean up, everybody. 1 time means nice. Clean is 2 times. If you're really wanting them to clean, it's a repetitive motion. You can do it 2 times, more than 2 times. It's just showing more action. Colors. Take your fingers and wiggle them on your chin. Colors. Come. Pointer finger, palm towards you, 1 hand or 2 hand. Come. Here's the 2-handed one. Come. This can be more pointing directional to a student or in general. Come on. Bonus tip here. Come here. You would point in front of you. Come here. Come here. Count. This is the table, so to speak. And get your F hand and go count. Drink. The C hand as if you're holding something and bring it up to yourself. This one's eat. It's a 1-time movement for eat. Food is a 2-time. This is a noun verb pair. So to eat is the verb 1 time and the noun is 2 times. Those are interchangeable, by the way, in real life situations. All done. We know this one. It's the sign all done. I'm finished. So you can use this one, and I'll give you a pro tip in a little bit when we come to the word stop, okay? This is go. Now you remember come? It was towards you, palms towards you. This one's palms out to go. Again, 1 hand or 2 hands. Sometimes you have something in your hands, you're holding something, and you only have 1 hand to use, right? Good job. There is a variance of this as well. That's more of a gesture. This one is good, and behind this it says job. This is work. Good job. Help. Okay, help. This one in real life changes a little bit. You can go help as well. And pro tip, directional, help you, help me. How. How. Fingers like this, twist one of them. How. That's one of our WH questions. We do have another set for WH questions, which will include the full set of the WH questions. Work or job. Same concept in here. Work or job. These are just fist hands tapping. Kindergarten. K hand right here. Kindergarten. Left to right shake. Line up. You'll use this one quite often. Line up. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take your 4 hands, then turn your dominant hand around, okay, where it's kind of like touching your finger, and then spread them out. Okay, line up. It's all the little kids. Listen. There's more than one listen, but this is one. Just cup the hand as if you are listening. The other one is the 3 hand. and you wiggle your fingers to bring all of that information to your ears. Look. These are your eyes. Look. A pro tip here would be to look at me. So you're saying look, and then you're having them look at you. Look at me. Or, hey, look over there. More. Okay, the flat hands, this is commonly used with the young ones especially. More. Now, pro tip here, one more. Two more. Only goes up to so far. We tend to do one more, two more. I just do one more, two more. After that, I'll do a number. Okay, no. This is the letter N and O together. No. Just one time. No. Paint. You're going to use your paintbrush and paint up and down. Y hands for play. Please, this is a flat hand, and you just circle on your chest. Please. We have a whole set on manners too that you might like as well. Preschool. This one can be signed different, but the one here is showing you before and then school. So before and school. Quiet. Yes, you can do the gesture. This is the official sign. Quiet. Run can be tricky, so go ahead and take your L hands on both. Okay? Now what you're going to do, you're going to take your dominant hand, the finger, and loop it on the thumb. Now the other finger then moves. Run. Run. Okay, there are pro tips with this using classifiers. Then this becomes you, and you could be running. Okay, this is a little faster movement, and we bend it. I'll show you walk in a little while. Okay, we have sit, and then we're going to have chair. Let me show you this. This is again a noun verb pair. So this one will be chair 2 times. Okay, these are your legs, so to speak, 1, 2. And I think sit is in this deck as well, but I'll go ahead and show you. It's 1 time sit. Sorry is the same as please, but with either S or an A hand. Either one I've seen often. Stand. This is your feet again, so you just tell everybody stand. Stop. Okay, stop. This is the one I was telling you, a pro tip here. I tend to not use this in the classroom just because more ASL would be to be done, to stop, okay? And there are different levels of this sign as well. When you're they're really playing and not doing their work, you might have a different look on your face, and it comes with what's called a non-manual marker, the fish sound, okay? But I use this one because it's one hand. It's easier than stop. But you can use stop as well. Thank you. Okay, notice pro tip here. Good and thank you. Can good be used like this too? It can. Oh, good. Good. It's all in context of the sentence that you would be signing. But the real sign is good and thank you. Almost like you're blowing a kiss. Wait. I use one hand on this often, again, because I might have this other hand doing something. If you're writing on the board or something, you can sign wait with your left hand. You turn around, you just tell them wait. Walk. I like this sign. So walk, a classifier, is this. Remember, run, we squinched our finger. Walk would be this, just straight up. And there's walk again. Want. Take your 5 hands as a claw, palm up, and bring them towards your body, and you usually bring your fingers back. Want. Wash. These are like the A hands, and you're just washing. There are different kinds of wash for this sign, by the way. This is the general sign. You could take a bath by washing. You can wash your hands, which is more of a gesture, but this is wash. Wash your hands. Wear. Wear. Just shake your finger, wear. And non-manual markers do come with these since they are a WH question. Again, we'll reference that more in that other set. Which. Why. Why. Okay, and we'll show you more advanced moves in the WH set. Right. Just like you're writing. Yes, this is your head shaking up and down. Yes. And there you go, everybody. This is your pre-K set, and as I told you, so where do you find these and more of the clip art? Well, you can go to our website, which is aslclipart.com, right there. And there'll be some other things here for you. And when you buy one of these, you do fill out a form to get a license to be able to use these. All right, and all that information is there when you go see it. All right, thank you so much, and be sure and help us spread the word. Post in Facebook to let them know that we are here to support you working with students and children. All right, take care, everybody.